Hello and welcome back to the channel, where we explore everything, and sometimes a little bit beyond. Today, I want to share my latest experiment, building a dedicated website for N2. If you're new here, you can check the channel page for more background on the N2 experiment. But in short, N2 is a visual automation tool for Odoo. It gives you a simple drag-and-drop interface for creating automation flows, making the whole process much more accessible and visual. Before starting the project, I defined 3 main goals for the website. First, I wanted to create a simple, hands-on demo that people could try instantly, without installing Odoo or setting anything up on their own computer. Second, I wanted a central place to publish and distribute N2 modules, so everything is available in one clean location instead of being scattered around. And third, I wanted controlled access. Users should only be able to download if they've starred my GitHub repo. It's a small way to support the project, and GitHub makes it very easy to verify. Since the demo required a bit more capability than static hosting provides, I needed to explore other hosting options. I also preferred something simple and cost-free, as this project is more of a personal experiment. After some searching, I realized that almost every hosting option for Odoo either needs complex setup, like container-based hosting, or it's paid. Except for one, Skysize. With Skysize, all I needed to do was upload my modules to a repository. No setup, no server maintenance, nothing else. It let me focus entirely on the experiment. Just a quick disclaimer. I'm not affiliated with Skysize. The only relationship I have with them is that I'm using their free service. To build the demo, I took several UI components from N2 and combined them into a simplified interface. The main demo component had to be registered as public component, which is required for all components running on Odoo's website. Then I included all the necessary N2 UI assets in the module's front-end manifest. The result is a compact but functional preview of the N2 experience. Odoo has a built-in feature that lets you attach documents to a product, and those attachments appear right on the product page. This makes free downloads very easy. Users just open the page and click the file. But there's a problem. By default, anyone can download those files. There's no built-in access control. So I needed to extend that behavior to support restricted access. Odoo doesn't come with a GitHub login option, so I created one. This meant handling the OAuth callback, exchanging the code for an access token, and using that token to retrieve user information, like the GitHub username and email. Once I had that, Odoo could automatically create or match the account in the system. Because I wasn't using any of the e-commerce features, I also added a small module to hide the sales views. This keeps the interface focused only on logging in and downloading modules. Next, I added a check against GitHub's API to verify whether the user has starred the repo. If they haven't, the download buttons remain visible, but attempting to download will show an error message instead. It's a simple and effective way to enforce the requirement. Finally, I added a feature that lets users delete their own accounts, so the whole website remains self-contained and easy to maintain. And that's the story of how I built the N2 website. Each part is simple on its own, but together they create a clean, self-contained experience where users can download modules, sign in through GitHub, and try out a small demo. And thanks to Skysize handling the hosting side, I was able to focus entirely on experimenting with the features themselves. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and check out the links in description for more details.